Hey, welcome back to another video of AI Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to get Grammarly AI. To get access to Grammarly AI features such as Grammarly Go and advanced writing assistance, follow these steps. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Grammarly website. Make sure that you are logged into your account using your email, Google or Facebook. With a free account, you will have access to basic grammar and spelling checks. However, Grammarly AI features like Advanced Suggestion and Grammarly Go may require premium subscription. For full access to Grammarly AI feature including style, tone and clarity suggestion, consider upgrading to Grammarly Premium for the business plan. Go to your Grammarly dashboard and click Upgrade to choose a plan. You can install Grammarly on your preferred platform. Go to App section and you can download it for your Windows, for your Chrome, or your iPhone or iPad, or for Android. After the installation is complete, you can find the Grammarly AI feature here. Just click on this small bulb and you will see the Grammarly AI. So that is how you can get Grammarly AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.